Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious yellow rice on the stove. First, let's gather everything we need. You'll want 1 cup of good quality long-grain white rice, 2 cups of flavorful chicken or vegetable broth, and a tablespoon of olive oil. Don't forget a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric for that beautiful color, and a pinch of saffron for extra aroma. Also, have a small diced onion and 2 minced garlic cloves ready. Now, let's get started with the preparation. Begin by rinsing your 1 cup of rice thoroughly under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Add your finely diced onion and sauté it for about 3 to 5 minutes until it becomes soft and translucent. Then, stir in the minced garlic, turmeric, and saffron, cooking for just 1 minute until they become wonderfully fragrant. It's time to cook our rice. Add the rinsed rice to the saucepan with the aromatics and stir for about 1 minute to ensure every grain is coated. Now, carefully pour in the 2 cups of broth and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to its lowest setting, cover the saucepan tightly with a lid, and let it simmer undisturbed for exactly 18 minutes. Remember, resist the urge to lift the lid or stir during this time. Almost there. Once the 18 minutes of simmering are complete, take the saucepan off the heat. Keep the lid on and let the rice rest for an additional 10 minutes. This crucial resting period allows the steam to redistribute, ensuring every grain is perfectly cooked and fluffy. Finally, gently fluff your beautiful yellow rice with a fork, and it's ready to be served warm as a delightful and aromatic side dish. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.